Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my today's video is about a DIY lip scrub, and I have used only two ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. So removing dead skin cells from your lips is as important as scrubbing your facial skin. You need a mild scrub to do the job perfectly. So I've used two ingredients, that is orange peel powder and almond oil. But before starting the video, if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. So let's start. So the first ingredient is orange peel powder. I have used two textures of orange peel powder. One is little gritty and the other one is a little soft. So you can use it according to your choice. If you want a very mild scrub or a little hard one, so you can go with both of them. And the second ingredient is an almond oil. If you want, you can use honey over this or vitamin E capsules, and in case of orange peel, you can even use a sugar or rice flour. So you need a clean container and a Q-tip to make your mixture. So the quantity of the ingredients I am taking is just because it's very small, just because I have to make it for 2 use only. And if you want, you can increase the quantity according to your choice. So now the scrub is ready and I will apply it on my lips. So you just need to take a little quantity and apply it all over your lips. Just scrub it well in all directions. So while scrubbing your lips, do not forget the corner of your lips. Those are the darkest area. And almond oil keep your lips moisturized while scrubbing. They penetrates into your skin easily, so they keep them hydrated. And orange peel just lighten your lips. It will make it more lighter after every use. So people with darker lips can definitely go with this lip scrub every alternate day, and in just a week they can see the result. But in case if you're using rice flour, then do not use it on daily basis or every alternate day. Just use it twice a week. Scrub it for good 5 minutes, and just leave it for few more minutes, and then wash it with normal water. You can also apply a lip balm if you feel dryness. And if you want, you can add a rice flour to the same mixture and use it as a scrub. So this was all for this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If you liked it, then do share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till my next video, take care and bye bye.